Hello, welcome back to Seeded Sports. कल राफा नडाल ने अपना लास्ट मैच खेला है रोलन गैरोस द फ्रेंच ओपन द टेरिटरी दैट ही इज रूल्ड ऑन फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2 decades. वहाँ पे फर्स्ट राउंड एग्जिट अगेंस्ट हिज ओपोनेंट Zverev, समथिंग दैट वी ऑल saw coming but were secretly hoping कि ऐसा ना हो. But unfortunately, the king of clay exited the Roland Garros in the first round. 2005 में जब वो 19 ईयर्स के थे तब उन्होंने पहली बार फ्रेंच ओपन जीता. फिर उसके बाद 13 टाइम्स मोर, अ टोटल ऑफ 14 फ्रेंच ओपन टाइटल्स. सो naturally, his the expectations that we have of him on clay and the love that he has for the clay court is of course also massive, and for Roland Garros also it's massive. उन्होंने ऑफिशियली नहीं बोला है कि उनका लास्ट फ्रेंच ओपन था, बट इट्स एविडेंट दैट इट वाज. काफ़ी लोग ऑडियंस में थे टू सॉर्ट ऑफ confirm this indirectly. Djokovic, who's hardly known to watch matches, was there. Serena Williams was there. Carlos was there. Iga was there. There were a lot of people from the entire tennis world there to celebrate him, to witness that last dance. And he did give them reasons to celebrate. Of course, it was a three-setter. He lost the match. But during the match, there were glimpses of what we have seen from Nadal in the past. So he reminded us all that why is he given the name the King of Clay? Why is he celebrated so much? Why is he loved so much? Uh, Unfortunate था कि Zverev, I'm not a big fan of Zverev for various reasons that I don't want to get into. But one thing that I'll give him credit for is that at the end, he did not celebrate. He did not speak much. He just said that it's Nadal's moment, and made sure that Nadal got the time to speak. His family was there. He spoke about you know the uncertainties and how things have been for him. ओलंपिक में उन्होंने बोला है दैट ही वांट्स टू बी देयर. रिटायरमेंट ऑब्वियसली ऑफिशियली उन्होंने रिटायरमेंट भी नहीं अनाउंस की है. और ही वांट्स टू प्ले मोर एंड नेचुरली प्ले मोर. बट दिस काइंड ऑफ gave us sort of an idea of what it will feel like when he finally retires, which is going to be a very very painful experience for all of us. मैच की अगर बात करें तो थ्री सेटर. फर्स्ट सेट से आइडिया लग गया था दैट नडाल इज नॉट गोना विन इट. सेकंड सेट बट वेंट टू अ टाई ब्रेकर. सेकंड सेट की शुरुआत में लगने लग गया था दैट इज कमिंग बैक टू द गेम. बट credit to Zverev for coming back to the game, and for breaking those serves, and for reminding people that why he is the number 4 right now. So, of course, not an easy draw in the first round, but that's what he does. Nadal does. He gives you hope. आप मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड हो जाते हो फर्स्ट सेट के बाद कि ये नहीं जीतेगा, बट वो सेकंड सेट में आपको वो होप दे देता है कि anything can happen, and it's the hope that he gives us that kills us in the end. And अभी भी अगर आप देखो तो उन्होंने ऑफिशियली नहीं बोला है कि उनका लास्ट फ्रेंच ओपन है. आई मीन इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ लव पैशन दैट ही हैज फॉर टेनिस दैट ही इज जस्ट नॉट रेडी टू से बाय. हिज बॉडी इज गिविंग अप. He's facing injuries. He's just not able to cope up, but he still wants to keep going. I mean, it's just incredible to have that kind of passion. Um, it's crazy also, but it's just incredible. Let's see how things pan out for Nadal. Also, if you're into brands, go and check out his Insta stories. You'll see that a lot of brands acknowledged his work and took this opportunity to, of course, also advertise themselves, which is what brand collaborations are all about. So anyway, I think पूरे पूरे ब्रह्मांड ने ये बात मान ली है कि नडाल का लास्ट फ्रेंच ओपन था. उन्होंने ऑफिशियली नहीं बोला है, but I'm sure sooner or later he'll just come back and say it. उन्होंने authorities को भी बोला था कि he does not want any celebration. Even if he does not play next year, he'll just come there to to say that final goodbye. So the authorities also did not really celebrate. And yes, that was more or less of my Nadal love and tribute video after the Roland Garros. If you have any feedback on the content that's going on the channel, please do let me know. There are a lot more shots coming up. I'll try to be more regular. And yes, if you like tennis content, do let me know that also. Otherwise, it just doesn't feel that banana tennis content. Though I'll keep making it, but if you're liking tennis content, here just let me know about that also. We can maybe also have some watch-alongs of tennis matches. If not all, then at least the final of French Open, if that's something that you guys would want us to do here. Thank you for showing all the love, and you'll never walk alone.